This 2015 Thor Motor Coach Hurricane 27K is a Class A RV. It is located in Fife, Washington, 98424 and is offered for sale by Johnson RV Fife. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Thor Motor Coach is 28 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 6 and 50 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features front living area, mid-bath, mid-kitchen, rear bedroom. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.